stopped by Mother's to give her a gift from my mother-in-law. Chris's mother had sent her a gift. She was so happy. It was socks. She loved it. Starting on the peas. Went down to Cindy's. And then we drove to the Charlie's Eubanks. Got some peas. And some corn. And a watermelon. That's the first. It was pretty corn. Very pretty. Corn is hard work. Very hard work. Goodness, that's just the first batch. Got them rinsing off. Then I'm going to blanch them a little bit. Got the pots going. Got my potatoes in the oven because Chris is gonna grill tonight. Boy, I'm not as young as I used to be. And it kind of makes me a little bit sad not doing it with Mother, you know. But it's just me. Chris is still working. And I got, I think it was 11 bags of Crowder and 10 bags of Pink Eye Purple Hull. Put up in the freezer. All right. Going to round two. First, I got to get a cup of coffee. Ooh, not as young as I used to be. This is the face of tired.
That's been my face for about 3 weeks.
Yep. And I think the count is 11 bags of Crowder peas, 10 bags of Purple Hull, Pink Eye Purple Hull, and I've got 30 ears of corn cooling in there to cut off. I think I got 150 ears, and then I've got half of them done. I can't go anymore. They're in the refrigerator outside, so I'll do the other half in the morning. But I'm tired. I'm tired.
Ain't we all?
Yeah. How was your day?
Hot. Frustrating. Part of it in the summer.
Yep. I sat here in this chair and I did that corn. I silked it. Of course, I chopped the ends off. It makes it easier to silk for me. But I did it right by myself. I sure miss my mama helping me with it, because we put up some corn now. We put up a lot of corn. Mama believed in getting it all at one time.
Yeah, I remember when you brought 800 ears home. I was like,
It
we
took
gotta
us
go to bed tonight at some point.
It took us. We worked all day and all night, didn't we?
No, I
just,
don't remember.
just
I
about.
just remember it was like the whole bed of that truck was rounded off.
Yeah.
You couldn't have got another ear on it. And I'm like, do you think you're gonna run out of corn?
You know, and I really thought I would have more bags. I haven't got it scooped up. It's still in the pan. I cut it off with the little cutter thing, but I really thought I'd have a whole lot more corn. If I can get all this done today, so that would be a bag and a half, about 75. I don't know how many bags I'll get out of 75
I don't remember
cobs.
how that worked.
I can't remember, but
You
yeah.
just do what you can do.
Yeah. In a little bit, you'll see a video of Rebekah. she was FaceTiming me, so I took Chris's phone and recorded the FaceTime. She got a story to tell. Poor Cliff, he wanted out of the car. He did, you know, Nathan took the kids down to the coast on Thursday night. So they had 2 vehicles driving back. Well, Becca had both the kids in her vehicle. And let's see, something happened, and Clifford refused to stay in the car with Rebekah. She had to pull off on the side of the road. It's the Bayless look. That's all it is, the Bayless look. All right.
She got that from you. Now, I don't know about Bayless, because she got that from you, because you were
maybe
pretty
it's
good at running into whatever that she run into.
Yeah, remind me to tell y'all the story of when I hit that owl, and then I hit a buzzard. Oh my gosh. I don't think I've told y'all that. I don't know. But anyway, we's tired, folks. We's tired. I'm gonna let that.
Full
He does. He's got a
day tomorrow, probably
full
Sunday
day
too.
tomorrow. But if it don't rain tonight, I hope I can mow tomorrow. I hope. After I get this corn taken off the cob in the morning.
You'll be all right.
Yeah.
It's just gonna be that neighbor that ain't got her yard mowed.
Yeah, we are them. But so is both the neighbors, because it's just been so wet. It's been so wet. All right, that's it. I'm waiting on that last 20 to 30 ears to cool, and I'll cut it off, and I'll bag this up and put it in the freezer, and I'm done for the night. All right, y'all take care.
Sorry, buddy. I'm sorry. He's in front of us.
Now tell me what happened.
Well, Dad said, no, you said I hit a bird, but I didn't hit a bird. The bird hit me. The bird had all of Mississippi to fly. But instead chose to look me dead in my eyeballs and
Kamikaze
say
bird.
it was its time to go. And so we had a moment.
Oh my gosh.
It looked me dead in the eye, and in front of my children and God himself, killed himself
On your windshield?
in my windshield. In front of my 2-year-old.
Oh my gosh.
And my 2-year-old blaming me.
Oh my
Which is why
gosh.
he's not in my backseat anymore, because he screamed bloody murder and said he doesn't want to be with Mommy anymore. He only wants to ride with Daddy. Because that bird had a death wish, and it's not my fault.
Oh my gosh.
All of Mississippi has the entire atmosphere above me to fly, and it chose my windshield with my 2-year-old next to me.
I love it.
I'm sure there's a crack somewhere.
Oh my
I'm
Lord.
sure it looks like a crime scene over there too.
Probably. Probably. All right. Well, be careful.
I don't need to be careful. The birds need to watch what they're doing.